The goal of our project is to develop a model of field emission from carbon nanotubes, or CNTs, and carbon nanotube fibers, or CNFs. The model will use MATLAB to show the temperature distribution, heating effects, and destruction rate along the fiber as a function of applied bias. These equations and plots will rely on electrical and thermal conductivity measurements versus temperature. These measurements will be performed at the Materials and Manufacturing Directorate at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. But what are CNTs and CNFs? Carbon nanotubes and carbon nanotube fibers are carbon allotropes. They have an octagonal arrangement of carbon atoms, and these atoms are arranged themselves in cylindrical nanostructures. Carbon nanotubes and carbon nanotube fibers can also come in single-walled nanotubes or multi-walled nanotubes, where a multi-walled nanotube is many single-walled nanotubes within each other. They have unique physical, electrical, and thermal characteristics, such as an extremely high tensile strength, the ability to be utilized as either a metal or semiconductor, and extremely high thermal conductivity. Our focus with this model is to explore the thermal and electrical characteristics. We hope to use our model to not only confirm existing experimental data, but also to predict the maximum electrical power and thermal temperatures the CNTs and CNFs could withstand. Our model will be extremely important in advancing the efforts to utilize CNTs and CNFs in consumer technologies. It will do this by allowing us to predict the most effective and efficient utilizations of the fibers within the products. The study of carbon nanotubes and carbon nanotube fibers is extremely important because of their wide array of applications. They have applications in fields such as materials, electromagnetics, optics, and electronics. Before it can aid in the development of these products, however, more research must be done, and this model will help confirm the results of this upcoming research. So for now, the main utilization of our model will be by researchers to aid them in their experimentations with the CNTs and CNFs. The model is new to the world of CNT and CNF research because it will include nanoscale effects such as Nottingham cooling and heating effects on the fiber. These effects have an extremely large impact on current experiments.